Hello friends, my name is Ranjit. In this video we will discuss about the generator in Python. Generator is a function that returns an object, that is iterator, which we can iterate over one value at a time. Second point, generator function is defined like a normal function. It is like a normal function, but whenever it needs to generate a value, it has to do so with the yield keyword rather than return. So here we will use this yield keyword, not this return. We can also use the keyword return to return the value, but we will here in generator we will use this keyword yield keyword. Okay, if the body of a def contains yield, right? Suppose this is a function contains yield, then function automatically becomes a generator. If in function def it yield is present, then function will become a generator. And fourth point, generator functions returns a generator object. Generator function will return a generator object. Generator objects are used either by calling the next method on the generator object using the next, we will see this method next method, or using the generator object in using for in. So using for loop we will what we will do, we will next, or we will use this next method. In generator we will use this yield keyword, we will use this yield keyword, we will use this next method, and we will use this for in loop, right? Return statement, fifth point, return statement terminates a function entirely, right? Return function, return statement terminate function entirely, and yield statement pauses the function, saving all states, and later continues from there on successive calls. So this is some basic point about generator in Python. So let us see the generator. Suppose first take very small example. Suppose we will see suppose we will write here first generator in Python, right? So now def, suppose we take method show, suppose we take method gen, suppose we take generator. Chalo, let us see, we take this only the show method, right? Just for the namesake we take this method show, and now we see it in the theory part yield will be used. So we suppose we take yield in place of return, right? So now take a result and show, assign the show function, and now print result dot next. So this will print the value 10, this will print the value 10, right? But if you want to check the type, okay, we want to confirm it is really a generator or not, so we can check the type of this type of result, right? So it will type will tell you that it is a generator or not. So run this, you will see the output here. So it is saying the class is generator, so it is confirmed it is a generator, it is not a normal function, it is a generator function. By using this type we check that this is a generator function, it's a not normal function. So if we take here suppose one more value yield 20, and how can print this, we can by using print result dot next. So now it will print the 20 value also. Now it will print 20 also. So in this way we are not using the return here. By using yield, it is a generator, you can see it is a generator. So by using yield in the method, in this method yield is present, that's why it is a generator. You can see here, right, it should be present in the, it will work as a generator. So it will one more thing other than this, like this, you can do one more thing. You can use the for loop for I in result. You can use the, by using for loop you can print. So now run this. Now you will get the value of 10 or 20 here. So by using for loop, you can see this is a class generator, and 10 20 is also printed by using for loop. So we can use this for loop also, or we can use this kind of method. Suppose we run both the thing, both this or this. So now see the output. So it will successfully execute this also and successfully execute this also. So it will, the output is 10 20, then 10 20. So it is only printing this output 10 20 here, right? Because if you comment here, then right, so 10 20, the output is 10 20 here it will be. So why using this next is important, right? The next important. If you omit, if you remove this next, then what will happen? It will not give the value. It will not give the value. You can see what will happen. Suppose run this, what will happen? Let us see. So you can see it is giving the generator object. So if you comment this, you can if you comment this, then you will see clearly it will not giving the value. It will say generator object so at, no, but it not giving the value. For taking the value, you will have to use the next, this next method, this next method you will have to use to get this value. So 1 tap 10. So you can see you can see, suppose that's why, because this is saying this, and because of this it is getting value 10, or because of the type it is saying the class generator. So it's one thing. One more thing you can say, one more thing you can do like this. You can write like this. You can also write like this, okay, and you can a comma v, and okay, and here result dot next. So if you run this, what will happen? Here you will have to pass the value 10 or 20, right? So in this way you can also write this, right? So this is a class generator. You can this, or you can use this for loop also, this for loop. If you run this, then you will get the same result, 10 20, class generator 10 20. So you can use the for loop also. Other than this, you one more example you can see, copy comment. So if we use like, if I suppose x equals to 1, okay, we use while loop, and y less than 10 colon yield x, and x equals to x plus 1 increment by 1. Okay, so now this is just simply a method. So and now run this, so it will print the value from 1 to 9. It is a simple while loop. It is initialization, it's a condition, it will give the yield and it will increment by 1. You can see 1 2 3 is missing 2 positional. Okay, yes, so sorry, it should be removed here. Now it will give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The class is generator. You can see 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9, right? If you increment y2, then 1 3 1 3 5 7 9. So it is an increment and it is a condition. If we give 20 here, then it will print up to 19. Up to 19 it will print up to 19. It's a initialization. If you say 2, then it will start from 2. It will start from 2 onwards. It will 2 4 6 8 and 18, like this. So this is why using for loop you can comment this. You can use this also. This it will simply print only two values, first 2 or 4. It will only print 2 or 4 only, first two values 2 or 4, right? So in this way you will have to write next method. You will have to write result dot next. It's like this. Now it will 2 4 6, it will print 3 values. It will print here 2 4 6 2 4 6. Class is generator. So in this way we use this. You can say this is a class is generator. So in this way this is the generator, like this, right? So here we are use the yield method, not return, right? In place of return we use the here yield method. In generator always use this yield, not return. Okay, so thank you friends. Share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel for more video. Thank you very much.